The world is full of fascinating cultural traditions, but some festivals truly stand out for their uniqueness and eccentricity. These celebrations not only showcase the creativity and diversity of human expression, but also provide a glimpse into the stories and beliefs that shape different communities. Let's dive into the details of 10 of the strangest festivals celebrated around the globe. By the end, you might just add a few of these to your travel bucket list. If you love exploring unique cultures and travel stories, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. Ready? Number 1. La Tomatina, Spain. La Tomatina, held every August in the small town of Bunol, Spain, is the world's largest tomato fight. This iconic festival began in 1945 when a group of young people disrupted a parade, causing chaos that escalated into a tomato fight. Inspired by the fun, locals repeated the act the following year, and it eventually became an annual tradition. Today, over 20,000 participants gather to hurl approximately 150,000 tomatoes in an hour-long battle, turning the streets into a sea of red pulp. Timing: arrive early to secure a good spot since the festival attracts large crowds. Etiquette: crush tomatoes before throwing them to avoid injuries. Number 2. Cheese Rolling Festival, England. The Cheese Rolling Festival in Cooper's Hill, Gloucestershire, England, is a historic event that dates back to at least the early 19th century. Some speculate it began as a local custom to celebrate the spring harvest or as part of pagan rituals. Participants race down a steep hill to chase a wheel of double Gloucester cheese, often tumbling in chaotic and dangerous fashion. Despite the risks, the festival remains a beloved tradition, attracting both competitors and spectators from across the globe. Safety first. If you're participating, prepare for potential tumbles and ensure you're physically fit for the race. Best viewing spot. Spectators should find a safe spot on the hill to enjoy the chaos without risk. Accommodation. Book accommodations in advance, as the festival draws international attention. Number 3. Monkey Buffet Festival, Thailand. The Monkey Buffet Festival in Lup Bui, Thailand, started in 1989 as a tourism initiative by a local businessman. The idea was to honor the town's macaque population, which is believed to bring good fortune and prosperity. During the festival, monkeys feast on lavish spreads of fruits, vegetables, and desserts, while locals and tourists join in the celebration. This unique event reflects the deep respect for animals in Thai culture and the harmonious coexistence between humans and wildlife. Interact safely. Avoid feeding the monkeys by hand to prevent aggressive behavior. Best time to visit. Arrive in the morning when the festival activities and monkey feasts are most active. Photography. Keep your belongings secured, as the monkeys are known to snatch items. Number 4. Baby Jumping Festival, Spain. El Colacho, or the Baby Jumping Festival, has been celebrated in Castelló de Murcia, Spain, since 1620. Rooted in Catholic tradition, it is believed that the act of jumping over infants cleanses them of original sin and protects them from evil spirits. Men dressed as devils leap over rows of babies placed on mattresses, accompanied by prayers and rituals performed by local priests. The festival is a fascinating blend of religious faith and cultural heritage. Respect local customs. Be mindful of the deeply religious roots of this festival. Observe quietly and avoid disrupting ceremonies. When to visit. The festival takes place on the Sunday after Corpus Christi, so plan your trip accordingly. Number 5. Kanamara Matsuri, Japan. The Kanamara Matsuri, or the Festival of the Steel Phallus, dates back to the Edo period, 1603 to 1868, in Kawasaki, Japan. It originated from a local shrine where sex workers prayed for protection against sexually transmitted infections. Over time, the festival evolved to celebrate fertility, safe childbirth, and prosperity. Today, it features colorful parades, phallic-shaped decorations, and an emphasis on raising awareness about reproductive health and wellness. Cultural sensitivity: embrace the humor and symbolism of the festival, but approach the subject with respect. Souvenirs: pick up unique, themed items as mementos of this colorful celebration. Transportation: Kawasaki is easily accessible by train from Tokyo, making it a convenient day trip. Number 6. Holi, India. Holi, the festival of colors, is one of India's most ancient and widely celebrated traditions. Its origins can be traced back to Hindu mythology, particularly the story of Prahlada and the demoness Holika, symbolizing the triumph of good over evil. Celebrated in March to mark the arrival of spring, Holi involves throwing vibrant colored powders, singing, dancing, and sharing sweets. The festival fosters joy, unity, and a sense of renewal across communities. Protect yourself. Use skin-friendly colors, wear old clothes, and protect your eyes and hair with sunglasses and a scarf. Join locals. Seek out community celebrations for a more authentic experience. Celebrate responsibly. Avoid using water excessively and respect others who may not want to participate. Number 7. Redneck Games, USA. The Redneck Games began in 1996 in East Dublin, Georgia, as a humorous response to the Summer Olympics being held in Atlanta. What started as a local joke quickly turned into a celebrated event featuring quirky competitions such as mud pit belly flops, toilet seat throwing, and bobbing for pig's feet. The games highlight Southern humor and community spirit, drawing participants and spectators eager to embrace its light-hearted charm. Embrace the fun. This festival is all about humor, so come ready to laugh and enjoy the quirky competitions. Participation: consider joining in events like the mud pit belly flop if you're feeling adventurous. Bring essentials: pack sunscreen and bug spray, as the games are held outdoors. Number 8. Burning tar barrels, England. The tradition of burning tar barrels in Ottery St. Mary, England, dates back to the 17th century. While its exact origins are unclear, it is believed to have started as a way of warding off evil spirits or commemorating the Gunpowder Plot of 1605. During the festival, locals carry flaming barrels of tar through the streets, creating a dramatic and fiery spectacle. This centuries-old tradition continues to draw crowds and preserve a sense of community pride. Stay safe. Watch the event from a safe distance, as carrying flaming barrels can be unpredictable. Local pubs. Visit nearby pubs after the event to soak in the festive atmosphere. Travel light. Avoid carrying large bags, as the streets can get crowded. Number 9. The Festival of Exploding Hammers, Mexico. In San Juan de la Vega, Mexico, locals celebrate the Festival of Exploding Hammers in honor of the town's patron saint. This unique event involves attaching homemade explosives to sledgehammers and smashing them against metal plates, resulting in loud bangs and sparks. The tradition is said to symbolize the struggles of San Juan de la Vega, a legendary figure who fought for justice. It's a high-energy event that combines danger with devotion. Ear protection. Bring earplugs to protect against the loud sounds of explosions. Stay alert. Be cautious of your surroundings during the festivities. Learn the legend. Familiarize yourself with the story of San Juan de la Vega to fully appreciate the festival's significance. Number 10. Ivrea Orange Battle, Italy. The Battle of the Oranges in Ivrea, Italy, dates back to the 12th century and commemorates the town's liberation from a tyrannical ruler. Participants divide into teams and engage in a massive orange-throwing fight, symbolizing the rebellion. Thousands of kilograms of oranges are used in this vibrant and chaotic event, which also features parades and historical reenactments. The festival is a colorful expression of community spirit and historical pride. Dress appropriately. Wear sturdy clothes and goggles to protect yourself from flying oranges. Join a team. Consider signing up with a team for a more immersive experience. Off-season tip. Visit Ivrea outside the festival period to explore its beautiful historic town. The festivals we've explored today are more than just unusual. They're a testament to humanity's creativity, resilience, and desire to connect. Each one offers a unique glimpse into the values and traditions of the communities that celebrate them. So, which festival caught your attention? Would you dare to chase cheese down a hill or feast alongside monkeys? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible travel stories. Until next time, keep exploring the world's wonders, one festival at a time.